What's up, gang? It's your girl Charles here back with another video. Another video. Alright, y'all, check it. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. I usually do this like once every, don't hate me, but every 2 months. You know, with the baby and everything, I be busy, but she's sick today. I stayed home with her, so I was like, let me just get it done. It's not that big of a mess, so I'm not really worried about it, but you guys are gonna sit back and watch me clean it, so keep watching and enjoy. First thing is first, grab your trash can. So we got to throw. How y'all like my hair, y'all? I colored it and got a wash and set, and it's freaking long. Look how long it is. It's literally to my butt. Alright, y'all. Alright, so where should I start? So first thing I like to do is I check dates first off. I like to keep all these little sauces. Cause you know, sometimes Mickey D's be acting all cheap and stuff, so if they only want to give me one sweet and sour, I got some home. Alright, so I'm still gonna put those to the side because I'm gonna like clean out all these drawers. These could come out. They come out, so I'm gonna wash them. This, I'm throwing this away. I had those for like ever. Cheese, I'm gonna keep. Beef broth, keep. I'm gonna take this out. Parmesan. I got this from the dollar store trying to be cheap, and this shit is so disgusting. Like, it's like powder. Ugh. Old celery stick. This might actually be good, but I don't think I brought carrots. Take that off. You guys can really see it, but the inside of that is pretty disgusting. So I got my Clorox wipes. Ugh, I hate finding this starting. I'm gonna wash these containers out real quick so I can put them back on here. Hold on. All right, y'all, so I finished cleaning all this stuff, so start putting everything back in. We keep a lot of butter in this household. A lot of butter. How do I want to do this? You gotta consolidate stuff, feel me? You gotta take stuff out of boxes. Put all the little snack stuff right here. Consolidating. Love my vitamin water. I'm actually not gonna do the drawers today because honestly I just went through that stuff, so I don't need to again. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm all done. Look how organized it is. This is pretty good. Okay, but I definitely feel like I gotta go back to the store. I mean, I do got a lot of food, like, you know, but this looks empty to me. I'm gonna have to make a trip. You wanna say hi? She's sick today, guys. You wanna say hi? All right, y'all, well, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Say bye, baby.